to Big Mouth Academy,
where learning is big fun.
Class is now in session.
One of these surprises is not like the other. 1, 2, 3, and 4. One of these surprises is not like the other. So, which is different? That one! Oh yeah! That's a Captain America symbol. The other 3 are Iron Man eggs. Now for some super fun. Captain America! Iron Pop. Hulk it up! Yeah! 1, 2, 3, Iron Man. Chick! Thor! Chick! Pop! Now that's some Avenger fun! Great job!
School's out.
A+ good time! Learning is big fun! So click here for some more colorful learning adventures. Or click here for the fun lessons we love best. Click here and subscribe to join Big Mouth Academy.